Hello everyone and welcome back to Nathanael's Guide to YouTube. Welcome to episode 2. In this episode we will be discussing the proper people. This is an urban exploration channel with about 500,000 subscribers. They go to quite a few very interesting places. Some of my favorite episodes include the episode where they go to the abandoned Six Flags in New Orleans after the, I think 5 years after the hurricane. They have quite a few very nice videos. They do great cinematography, do great photography. Definitely one of my favorite exploring channels. There's a number of good exploring channels out on YouTube, but I think that this is one of the more professionally done ones. Not to say that some of the other ones aren't nice as well, but I just like the way that Brian and Michael do this. One major nitpick I have is that these people never seem to use enough respiratory protection, and they never seem to have proper foot protection, but in the later videos they definitely have taken a lot more of that into consideration. Hopefully not too late. One of their episodes with the infamous door. The infamous door episode being one of the mall explorations where they opened a door in a mall and it just turned right into powder. It was pretty amazing. I think my other favorite episode of theirs is probably the one where they explore the abandoned nuclear power plant. Yes, they explore a decommissioned abandoned nuclear power plant. The Cincinnati subway is also really great. But anyway, definitely check out the proper people. Thanks for watching everyone. Subscribe for more. Cheers.